Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn how to prepare Ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is an African Nigerian village sauce. We use it to eat fufu. Yes, so grab your chair, sit down and relax and watch how we are going to prepare Ogbono soup. We are going to start with the prep of the ingredients, okay? Yes. If you are new in the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming to watch our video. Like and share this video, make it go viral, okay? Yes, African Lioness TV. Stay tuned and watch the way we are going to prepare it from start to finish, from prep to finish, okay? Yes, keep watching. This is Ogbono. This is Ogbono. So we use Ogbono to cook Ogbono soup. This is it. So I'm going to blend it. I'm going to blend this Ogbono. We have to start by blending the Ogbono. Pepper, habanero pepper, so we have to pound it in our mortar and pestle. Pound it with mortar and pestle. See, this is the pestle, this is the mortar. So this vegetable, I preserved it in the fridge. I cut the vegetable, preserved it in the fridge. So hit the red button to subscribe if you are watching up till now and you are yet to subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video, make it go viral. African Lioness TV. Thank you for always coming to watch our video. Hit the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to get the video. Thanks for clicking. Hello guys, to cook our ogbono soup, these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make this delicious ogbono soup. Our village food. Yeah, this one is blended bell pepper. This one is pounded habanero pepper, This one is deboned bonga fish. This is stockfish. This one is stockfish. This is mushroom. This one is arrow mushroom. This is ogbono, blended ogbono. This one is turkey, roasted turkey. This is onion, and this is sliced vegetable. Then crayfish, and then crayfish, onion, and crayfish. This one is crayfish. Yeah, these are the ingredients I'm going to use in preparing this particular soup. I'm going to use olive oil, organic olive oil. That is what I'm going to use to make this sauce. This sauce, we use it to eat foofoo, our native village foofoo. Okay, yes. So I'm going to make this ogbono soup. These are the ingredients I'm going to use in making it. So, and also salt. To taste. Yeah. So I'm going to be adding them one after the other, and the soup. So I'm going to show you guys how I will be doing it. Just stay tuned. If you are watching and you are new in the channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Hit the red button to subscribe to belong to the family, African Lioness TV's family. Thank you for coming. Hit the red button to subscribe if you are watching up till now and you are yet to subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video, make it go viral. African Lioness TV. Thank you for always coming to watch our video. Hit the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to get the video. Thanks for clicking. Soup is done. Yeah, so This one is turkey. This is turkey, roasted turkey. Yeah, I'm going to add it to the soup. Keep watching, guys. Like and share the video. Put your comment down on the comment section. Let us share our thoughts, okay? Yes, so keep watching. And I have to add in a boiling water is ogbono. That's the first thing I'm going to add to the pot. Though there are other ways to dissolve your ogbono if you want to cook ogbono soup. You can use oil to dissolve it. There are so many other ways, but today I chose to dissolve it with hot water. So I have to allow it to draw. Then I have to add my the stockfish water. Large pot of soup. This is the ogbono. I just added it on the hot water. Okay, yeah, for it to dissolve. This is the ogbono seed. So now I'm going to allow it to boil so that it will drop. Okay, before we add any other thing. So let's give it time to boil. Yeah, keep watching, guys. Now we add the stockfish. The bonga fish. So I now have to add the boned bonga fish. So I have to add the roasted turkey. Next is I have to add the blended bell pepper. Blended bell pepper. Wash the fish. This is our washed crayfish. Now I have to add salt. Add my crayfish. Add my pepper, habanero pepper. Now I'm going to add my organic olive oil. Hit the red button to subscribe if you are watching up till now and you are yet to subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video, make it go viral. African Lioness TV. Thank you for always coming to watch our video. Hit the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to get the video. Thanks for clicking. This one is ogiri. See, this our village maggi. How do I call it? Village maggi. I'll put a little water on it to dissolve the ogiri. Sometimes you grind it, blend it with your pepper. But if you didn't do that, you can just do it like this to dissolve the ogiri. So now have to add the ogiri. Yeah, next thing is to add the mushroom. So let's put the mushroom on the soup. I have to add the okra. So few minutes later, we'll bring it down. Let's add the veggie. The soup is finally done. Yeah, this is the soup itself. Whoa. Looking so yummy. Yeah, this is the Ogbono soup ready. This is the soup ready to serve. Hit the red button to subscribe if you are watching up till now and you are yet to subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video, make it go viral. African Lioness TV. Thank you for always coming to watch our video. Hit the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to get the video. Thanks for clicking. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you soon.